How do you clean a roof? Many people today are looking at having the roofs cleaned, but they're not really sure how it should be achieved. Of course, most people in the UK, in fact the rest of the world, always think of a pressure washer first. Why do we want to use a pressure washer? It's going to be quite hard impact on the building and can cause damage. Now, when you're looking at cleaning a hard surface, often it's better to use something that's low pressure to clean that roof. It won't cause any damage. So there are alternatives out there. You could look at steam cleaning, you could look at soft washing, and different companies use different types of equipment. But as a homeowner, you've got to decide for yourself what method is most suited for your roof. It's your home. So let's talk about how do you clean a roof at your home. Well, one, you want to make sure that that roof is cleaned safely. The most important thing, nobody gets hurt while the work is being undertaken. We don't want workmen falling to their deaths. We don't want homeowners getting a tool dropped on their head. So we really need to be thinking about roof cleaners need to be trained. And who best to train them than a company that's been cleaning roofs for say 30 years. There are companies about that do roof training, and as long as your chosen roof cleaner has undertaken industry standard roof cleaning courses, you're going to be in good hands. So before we actually can treat and clean the roof, we need to remove mosses, lichens and moulds. And we do this by using a mechanical process. Now, this could be a scraper. Some roof cleaners use scrapers. Some use brushes, and some use a form of low pressure. So using a pressure washer with the power turned down, the water flow really low at 100 bars, with a swirling motion of the water coming out of the nozzle, you gently knock away the moss. Once you've got rid of that moss, we're now left with a roof that needs a process known as soft washing, which you spray on, leave on for 15 minutes, and it will kill all the organic matter to the root. Now, once we kill it to the root, it cannot regrow. So in the future, any new growth that appears is actually, as we just said, new growth. So the roof will stay clean for quite a long period of time, and a reputable roof cleaning company would warranty that for 5 years. So that's something to look at when you're actually choosing a roof cleaning contractor. Because roof cleaning has a cost involved, and you want to be really sure that that investment that you've made for your roof to be cleaned stays clean for as long as possible.